Question number 251. In Transfer Property Act, rights of seller and buyer are provided in. Options are section 64 to 66, section 67 to 77, section 78 to 80, section 55. Correct answer is option D, that is section 55. Question number 252. Which of the following is not a duty of the seller? Options are to produce title deeds, to disclose patent defects, to execute convenience, to pay the outgoings. Correct answer is option B, that is to disclose patent defects is not the duty of seller. Question number 253. What is incorrect? The liabilities of the seller is that he is to disclose to the buyer any material defect in the property, to produce to the buyer for examination all documents of title relating to the property, not to answer to the best of his information all the relevant questions put to him by the buyer in respect of the title. Option D, to give possession to the buyer as its nature admits. Correct answer is option C. Option C is incorrect. Other options are correct. Question number 254. In case of a transfer property, the seller is option A, not entitled to rents and profits. Option B, entitled to rents and profits of the property till the ownership thereof passed by buyer. Option C, entitled to rents and profits forever. And option D, none of the above. Here correct answer is option B, that is entitled to rents and profits and property till the ownership thereof passed by buyer. Question number 255. In which of the following sections of Transfer Property Act doctrine of marshalling has been provided? Correct answer is option A, section 56 to 81. Question number 256. Marshalling by subsequent purchaser is provided under TPA in. Correct answer is section 56. Question number 257. In which section of TPA the provision of mortgage are defined? Options are section 54, section 56, section 58, section 85. Correct answer is option C, that is section 58. Question number 258. Section 58 of TPA defines. Options are mortgager, mortgage, mortgaging money, all of these. Correct answer is option D, that is all of these. Question number 259. What is correct in case of mortgage deed? Options are mortgage is the transfer of an interest in a specific immovable property. In mortgage deed, ownership is not transferred. Principal amount of interest is mentioned in mortgage deed, all of these. Here correct answer is option D, that is all of these. In mortgage deed, mortgage is the transfer of an interest in specific immovable property. In mortgage deed, ownership is not transferred. Principal amount and interest is mentioned in mortgage deed. So all of these are the correct answer. Question number 260. Dash is defined as a security for repayment of loan. Correct answer is mortgage. Mortgage is defined as a security for repayment of a loan. Question number 261. Section 58 clause A of TPA defines mortgager, mortgagee and mortgage money. Option B, mortgage, mortgager, mortgagee and mortgage deed. Option C, mortgage, mortgager, mortgagee, mortgage money and mortgage deed. Option D, mortgage, mortgager, mortgage money and mortgager deed. Correct answer is option C. Under section 58A of TPA, mortgage, mortgager, mortgagee, mortgage money and mortgage deed are defined. Question number 262. How many types of mortgage are there in section 58 of TPA? Options are 4, 5, 6, 7. Here correct answer is option 6. There are 6 types of mortgage defined under section 58 of TPA. Question number 263. Which of the following is not an essential element of mortgage as defined in section 58 clause A of TPA? Options are there must be transfer of interest, there must be promise to transfer of interest, the interest must be some specific immovable property, the purpose of transfer must be to ensure payment of a debt. Here correct answer is option B. There must be promise to transfer of interest is not an essential element of mortgage. Question number 264. In which of the following mortgage the mortgager bind himself personally to pay the mortgage money? Options are simple mortgage, usufructuary mortgage, anomalous mortgage, mortgage by assurance. Correct answer is option A, that is simple mortgage. In simple mortgage, the mortgager binds himself personally to pay the mortgage money. Question number 265. Where possession of mortgage property is not delivered to the mortgagee, it is called simple mortgage, usufructuary mortgage, English mortgage, mortgage by conditional sale. Correct answer is option A, that is simple mortgage. Question number 266. Whether mortgage under simple mortgage can take possession of the mortgage property? No. Correct answer is option B. Question number 267. Every sale accompanied by agreement for reconveyance of property would not constitute mortgage by conditional sale. This statement is related to which section of Transfer of Property Act? Section 58. Question number 268. Whether simple mortgage must always be registered? Options are yes, if value of property is more than rupees 100, registration not necessary, none of the above. Correct answer is option A, yes. In simple mortgage, registration is always necessary. Question number 269. Which one of the following provision of TPA relates to usufructuary mortgage? Options are section 58 clause A, section 58 clause B, option C section 58 clause D, option D section 58 clause E. Correct answer is section 58 clause D. Question number 270. Where the mortgagor delivers possession of the property to the mortgagee is called usufructuary mortgage. Question number 271. In which of the following mortgages the mortgagor is required to deliver the possession of the mortgage property to the mortgagee? Options are English mortgage, mortgage by conditional sales, usufructuary mortgage, anomalous mortgage. Correct answer is option C, that is usufructuary mortgage. Question number 272. In lieu of debt from B, handovers the possession of his house to B with the covenant to transfer of property in favor of B, but with the provisions for retransfer in case of repayment of debt. This type of mortgage is known as options A, equitable mortgage, English mortgage, usufructuary mortgage, mortgage by conditional sale. Correct answer is option B, that is English mortgage. Question number 273. The mortgagee has the right to sell the mortgage property without intervention of the court. Options are English mortgage, simple mortgage, anomalous mortgage, mortgage by conditional sale. Correct answer is option A, that is English mortgage. Question number 274. Where mortgagee is entitled to enjoy the benefits of the mortgage property in lieu of interest on debt, the mortgage is called usufructuary mortgage. Question number 275. In case of usufructuary mortgage, the mortgagee is placed in possession. He has a right to receive the rents and other profits. Option A, till the contract is rescinded, till the mortgage money is paid, for a fixed period of 30 years, for a fixed period of 99 years. Here correct answer is option B, till the mortgage money is paid. Question number 276. Where the mortgage delivers the possession of the mortgage property to the mortgagee, authorizing him to retain such possession until payment of the mortgage money and to receive the rent and profits accruing therefrom, such mortgagee is called, correct answer is usufructuary mortgage. Question number 277. Under which one of the following sections of TPA English mortgage has been defined? English mortgage has been defined in section 58 clause E. Question number 278. The mortgage which involves absolute transfer of the mortgage property with the provision of free transfer is mortgage by conditional sales, equitable mortgage, English mortgage, anomalous mortgage. Here correct answer is option C, that is English mortgage. Question number 279. A mortgage by deposit of title deeds is called anomalous mortgage, English mortgage, equitable mortgage, usufructuary mortgage. Correct answer is option C, that is equitable mortgage. Question number 280. Under TPA, which of the following mortgage with value of rupees 100 or above is not compulsorily registrable? Option are simple mortgage, mortgage by conditional sale, English mortgage, mortgage by deposit of title deeds. Correct answer is option D, that is mortgage by deposit of title deeds. Question number 281. To make a mortgage for 100 rupees or upward valid, it should be registered, signed by the mortgagor and attested by at least 2 witnesses, but it is not applicable in the case of English mortgage, simple mortgage, usufructuary mortgage, mortgage by deposit of title deeds. Correct answer is option D, that is mortgage by deposit of title deeds. Question number 282. Writing and registrations are not required in which one of the following mortgages? Writing and registration is not required in mortgage by deposit of title deeds. Question number 283. In which case of the Supreme Court has held that the mortgage was valid even though no part of the mortgage money has been advanced? Correct answer is option B, State of Kerala versus Cochin Refineries, AIR 1968. Question number 284. A mortgage which is not a simple mortgage, a mortgage by conditional sale, and usufructuary mortgage, an English mortgage, or a mortgage by deposit of title deeds is called an anomalous mortgage. Question number 285. Which one of the following may fall under anomalous mortgage? Only mortgage, usufructuary by conditional sale, only simple usufructuary mortgage, both A and B, neither A or B. Correct answer is option C, that is both A and B. Question number 286. Which is not specifically mentioned as a kind of mortgage in the TPA? Correct answer is option A, that is equitable mortgage. Question number 287. Which one of the following kinds of mortgage is not included in section 58 of TPA? Options are anomalous mortgage, usufructuary mortgage, simple English mortgage, mortgage by deposit of title deeds. Correct answer is option C, that is simple English mortgage. Question number 287. Which out of the following kinds of mortgage is not included in section 58 of the TPA? Options are anomalous mortgage, usufructuary mortgage, simple English mortgage, mortgage by deposit of title deeds. Here it has been asked which of the following is not included. Simple English mortgage is not included, but in section 58, mortgage by conditional sale, usufructuary mortgage, English mortgage, mortgage by deposit of title deed and anomalous mortgage are included. Question number 288. A transfer his property to B by mortgage with a condition for 10 years. B will take the mortgage money from the income of the property and thereafter A shall redeem the property by making the payment of remaining amount. This mortgage is anomalous mortgage. Question number 289. Under Transfer Property Act, personal obligation to pay mortgage money accrues in. Correct answer is simple and English mortgages. Question number 290. Where the principal money secured is 100 rupees or upwards, the mortgage other than the mortgage by deposit of deed can be effected only by registered instrument signed by the mortgagor, attested by at least 2 witnesses, all of the above. Here correct answer is option D. Question number 291. Which one of the following mortgage does not require writing and registration? Options are usufructuary mortgage, simple mortgage, English mortgage, mortgage by deposit of title deeds. Correct answer is option D, that is mortgage by deposit of title deeds. Question number 292. Which of the following transfer is valid? An unregistered usufructuary mortgage for rupees 99, an unregistered gift of immovable property of the value of rupees 99, an oral lease of immovable property from year to year, and oral assignments of debt. Here correct answer is option A, an unregistered usufructuary mortgage of rupees 99. This transfer is valid. Question number 293. If the sale and agreement to repurchase are embodied in separate documents, then the transaction cannot be a mortgage. This was laid down in. Correct answer is 𝐚𝐭𝐻𝐿 versus Sheikh Ibadat Ali. Question number 294. Right of redemption arises in the case of gifts, mortgage, lease, exchange. Here correct answer is option B, mortgage. Right of redemption arises in the case of mortgage. Question number 295. From the following, who cannot sue for redemption of the mortgage property? Options are the mortgagor, the mortgagee. Option C, surety for the payment of the mortgage debt. Option D, creditor of the mortgagor who has in suit for the administration of his estate obtained a decree for sale of the mortgage property. Correct answer is option B, that is the mortgagee. Mortgagee cannot sue for the redemption of the mortgage property. Question number 296. The mortgagee's right to redeem the mortgage property accrues. Option A, at any time after the mortgage. Option B, at any time after the mortgage money has become due. Option C, at any time when the mortgagor wants. And option D, at any time the mortgagor demands the money. Here correct answer is option B, that is at any time after the mortgagor money has become due. Question number 297. Right of redemption can be exercised only by paying the mortgagor money to the mortgagee, only by depositing the mortgagor money in the court, only by a regular suit for redemption, all of these. Here correct answer is option D, that is all of these. Right of redemption can be exercised only by paying the mortgagor money to the mortgagee, only by depositing the mortgage money in court, and only by regular suit of redemption. Question number 298. Who among the following persons may not redeem the mortgage property? Options are any person having interest in the property, any surety for payment of the mortgage debt, any creditor of the mortgagor. Option D, counsel pleading the case against mortgagee. Correct answer here is option D, that is counsel pleading the case against the mortgagee may not redeem the mortgage property. Other persons can redeem for the mortgage property. Question number 299. Mortgagee's right of redemption is coextensive with. Options are mortgagee's right to inspection and production of documents, mortgagee's right for foreclosure of sale, mortgagee's right to redeem separately or simultaneously, and option D, all of these. Here correct answer is option B, that is mortgagee's right of foreclosure or sale. Mortgagee's right of redemption is coextensive with mortgagee's right of foreclosure or sale. Question number 300. Which among the following is false statement about the term clog of redemption? Options are it is an absolute right, it is a statutory right, it can be fettered by any condition, and option D, Any condition contained in mortgage deed which obstruct the right of redemption will be null and void. Here it has been asked which of the following is false statement about the term clause of redemption. Therefore, option C is the right answer. It can be fettered by any condition is a false statement regarding clause on redemption.